how to turn on or turn off system tracing record heap dump on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search system tracing from here. Scroll down. You will see system tracing is here, so click on system tracing. Scroll down. You will see record heap dump is here, so if you want to turn on record heap dump, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see record heap dump is turn on. So if you want to turn off record heap dump, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see record heap dump is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off record heap dump from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off system tracing record heap dump on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.